Does it make more sense to have an air conditioner and a furnace put in at the same time? I get asked that every day. Well, maybe not every day, but maybe almost every day. I'm going in to look at changing a furnace. I notice that the air conditioner is the same age as the furnace, and quite often the ones I'm looking at are 20 years old or more. Their furnace has suddenly stopped with the air conditioner. According to the homeowner, last fall it was working okay. So does it make sense to change them both at the same time? Well, depending on your budget, depending on how long you're going to stay in the house, what your overall plan is, that could determine what you do. But if you are going to stay in the house, if you're going to keep this place for another 5 years or maybe longer, it's a really wise idea to at least consider changing the air conditioner, maybe putting in a heat pump, but at least doing it at the same time as the furnace. Because a lot of the work the guys are going to do is part of what they would have to do when they change the air conditioner anyway. Because a lot of people don't realize it, but half of the air conditioning components are stacked on top of the furnace, at least normal upflow furnaces. That's where the evaporator coils sit. So if you think about a new car, when you buy a brand new car, you get an engine and a transmission that's engineered to work together for performance and efficiency. So if you look at your house the same way, it's all part of the airflow system. In the wintertime, you want to stay warm. In the summertime, you want to stay cool. You want the humidity taken away, but you want your home to be comfortable. So if you look at it from that point of view, and the time has come that you need to put in a furnace, ask your HVAC company, whoever they are, to consider the air conditioner at the same time and maybe give you a better deal. The guys are already on site. They've already got their trucks there. They've already accounted for their time. And yes, it'll take them a few hours longer to do the second part, but it's actually going to take less time than it will if they have to come back on a separate day. Because then they got to get all their tools out, they got to get all organized and all set up, and then they got to clean up after. Well, if you can do it all at once, you're probably going to save some money. You're going to save a lot of time. But now, next summer, when it's air conditioning season, you're not going to be disappointed if it suddenly doesn't work. And then you've got that gotcha or I told you so moment. Now, not me saying I told you so, just simply you're going to think to yourself, you're going to go, oh man, now I got to go through this all over again. And I could have had it handled. So stay warm, stay cool if it's down the road. Do what you need to do, get the information, but please stay tuned.